Hello guys and welcome back to Dreaming Falcon.
We are now in
Dresden.
Anywhere you say, anywhere you say, anywhere.
Dresden. To be honest, first impression.
unbelievable city. So beautiful, so clean, so breathtaking.
Very nice, very amazing city to be honest. We dropped our bags in our hostel and we left out to discover the city in the night. And to be honest, the hostel staff in the hostel so friendly, so
So
good.
good,
We have
yeah.
got a map and we have decided that today night we'll be traveling using this map.
Yes, we decided not to use Google Maps and just
Yeah.
see the city like from the beginning to
From
the end.
yeah,
So we decided to use the map because for this city it's used so good.
so good.
Exactly.
Exactly.
And it's a new experience to be honest. It's absolutely, I feel absolutely different than I felt in Berlin, and
Yeah, it's very
this is the
different.
first impression that we had together with them. We were like, this
It's
city
unbelievable.
is absolutely different.
Yeah, very different. And to be honest, it's just the beginning, and we are feeling so good, already feeling so good in this city. It's really beautiful, and we haven't even been to main attractions yet. We'll be doing that after eating, and then we'll be going to the streets, main
And we
streets.
will show you like some streets of Dresden
Dresden,
at
which
night, right
beautiful
now. Yeah.
and very much recommended by the staff at the hostel. She gave us this map and marked many things and told us things which we have to visit in the city.
She made a small tour, let's say, for
Yeah,
us
exactly.
on
For
this map.
for 2 days, she was
Yeah.
like, you should do this.
She was very nice.
Yeah,
Very nice.
very nice. And let's see, it's just the beginning. We are here for 2 days in Dresden. Let's see how it goes. We are excited
Yeah,
a lot. What's up guys? Right now we are on a bridge above the Elbe River. So basically Elbe River is a river on like which goes through Dresden, and Dresden is on the banks of this river. It's really very beautiful to be honest. The
Yes.
bridge is really beautiful. The architecture of the city is really good and we are enjoying it a lot. Right now we are planning to go and take a walk along the river
and
because
it's 12
yeah,
in
it's
the night,
12 in the
and
night, but still it's very beautiful, and you can see we are not wearing jackets or anything. It's just raining, but it's not that cold.
Yes, exactly, and
yeah.
it's the perfect weather to be honest to walk in the city at night and just enjoy
Exactly.
lights and enjoy the, because all monuments, all architecture is lighting up right
Lighting
now,
up, yeah.
and that's
And
incredible.
during the night the city looks completely different.
Yes, to be honest.
And it's worth going for a night walk in this city, even if the city is like very calm, very slow, but at the same time there are lots of people around walking even when it's late, and it's really cool.
I mean, it's important to visit a city at night and during
day,
the day,
it's
because the city is completely different,
different.
and it's not only about Dresden; it's about every city, to be honest.
Exactly. But this city is
Yes, this
bit
city.
different, bit
Yes.
bit more special, to be honest, because of the architecture. To be honest, it doesn't look like Germany. Do you understand? Like you feel like you're in Czech Republic.
Yes, it's like a little part of Prague, I would say.
Yeah, it's really beautiful.
Yeah.
So we'll be taking walk along the Elba River. We'll put some videos for you to enjoy, but it's just like for you, it's the night time is just to go out and walk around the city and enjoy this beautiful view, this beautiful city. That's it. Tomorrow we'll be going to visit many different places, which is important, like some museums, some different streets which are like main tourist attraction in the city. But
So you will
yeah,
see a lot of interesting stuff.
lot of interesting stuff. But tonight it's just to have fun and like walk around the city and enjoy the vibe of the city. So
Exactly.
see you tomorrow morning. And right now we'll be just taking walk and then go back to our hostels. So we'll enjoy our time. See you later,
Yes,
guys.
see you guys tomorrow.